guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Harida. You're welcome if you're coming across my channel for the first time. If you see me for the first time, you're welcome. Please hit the subscribe button, like this video, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I post a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much guys for the love. I posted this blender, I think I don't know if it's up to a month. I posted this blender. So guys, so I'm just here to do a quick update because the first time I did the review of the blender, it was my first time. I just bought it. I've never used it. I just did an unboxing and just say a few things I know based on what is written in the pack and all that. Then the second video I made was when this blender, the first time I think the second time I started using it, it was, but if you've not seen the video, you can just go through my channel, you see the video below. So today is just an update on this blender, that if you have this Bardefu Blender, do not throw it away. You can still manage it, you can still use it. It's not entirely bad. It is bad. I'm not happy about this blender at all, but I'm not gonna throw it away, guys. Like, blender is so expensive right now, and the best thing is if you've not bought this blender and you want to buy, I would say just save money. Keep saving your money and just get a good blender. But if this is all you can afford now and you just want to have something to use at home, no matter what, you can just go ahead and buy it. But there's a trick to using it, which is what I'm going to share here today. So when I bought this blender and I complained it wasn't giving me what I want, it was getting hot. Like the first time I plugged it, all this place was coming out, smoke was coming out from them, from all this angle. The next thing I experienced again was, I don't know, something was inside, was kind of burning, and you will see the rubbers or something after everything was coming out from under this place. So it was really a bad experience for me. Then I wanted to blend beans, and I put my beans, everything. When I was using Silvercrest is not that all there too, but it's better than this one in my own opinion, because Silvercrest I could blend beans, like I could put it on the go and blend. So this one is, the trick is, if you want to use this blender, use it, do not take it high to the last power here. When you take it high, it starts smelling it will get burnt. That is just the honest truth. So if you want to use it, just take it to, let's say, 5-6, not more than 5-6 when you want to blend, not more than 5-6, and use your on and off button. But if you want to use this pause button, make sure this one is turned off and this one is turned off before you can use this one, and just blend as you go. That is the first tip I will give you. If you have it, do not throw it away. You can still use it. I'm still using mine. I'm just managing it like that because the blender I'm eyeing now is 250k. Guys, I don't have 250k, but I'm saving for it because it's just good. It's better you buy good blender and just enter house like and enter house. So another thing there is, but this one with this food processor it came with, actually I really love the food processor. It does the work very well. Like, it blends fast without any hassle. I can put it's not calibrated, no it's not, so I can put something up to this level and it will blend it fine, very well. It will blend it very well without any hassle. Then it will just, yeah, it blends well. I'm okay with this one. It came with some juice something that if you want to juice, if you want to slice. I've not tried those ones before, but as long as those ones, this is where you can use it. This is where you put it into use, and as long as this one is concerned, it is doing well for me with this one. But this is now where I have issue. I tried to return this blender, but I couldn't return it. The seller blocked me. She was like, am I the manufacturer? Am I the one that made the blender? How was I supposed to do this going to turn? But I'm like, if you're the seller, I believe you have you bought it from somewhere, and you should have the manufacturer, or maybe and it's a wholesaler, maybe you bought it from a wholesaler, you take it to them, then they will tell the company, or complain to the company. Anyone they are doing next, they will get it right. they might not do one and get it right at the initial stage, because this is actually made in China, and maybe some of their things, the standard they are using there, like, I think that is even it. Yeah, that is it. They don't blend much, and I don't know if they cook much, but I know they don't blend the way we Africans, we Nigeria blend things. Like, we blend beans, we blend what's it called, fruit, corn, anything. We blend a lot, and we don't even blend in small quantity, we blend in large quantity. Like, if you want to make more for your family, you know that you're going to blend in large quantity. So for the trick, for another thing I know I have that is going on with this one is, you can see under here it's rusty already and it's leaking. Guys, it is leaking. I'm like, what is going on? I cannot use this blender, but and this is what I use mainly for my beans and tomatoes, because if I want it very smooth, this is what will make anything you blend. If you want it smooth, this is what will make it smooth. This one will just like slice it for you. It will make it that smooth. So the trick to this one is, although somebody said they are selling this one separately, this that is there, that maybe it's not tight anymore, that is why it's leaking. So someone said you can buy it separately, but I don't know where to buy it, so I'm just using it like that. What I do now is, if you want to blend something, and again, the tip on this one, don't even mistake it. You put it, this is calibrated. Anything you're blending should not exceed 1000. This is 3000 ml, and this is where 1000 is. 750 though, even I think it's 750. If you put anything 1000, it will not blend well. It will just be making sound, making the machine to be sounding somehow. If you have this experience, please let me know in the comment section. I want you guys to share your experience as well. But why I'm making this video is that I don't want you guys to throw the blender away, or just, you can still manage it, but it's just so stressful to manage. But what are we going to do? It's just barely a month I bought it. I cannot just throw it away. So why I save to buy a better one, I'll just manage it. So just anything you're blending should not exceed 750. If you want to blend maybe large quantity, maybe you should just buy another one, or maybe look for where to blend in local places, or you can just blend it gradually. So anything you're putting should not exceed 750. I notice when I put anything in 750, it blends smoothly, and it goes. And this is 8 blades. 8 blades supposed to even do more than this. And this 3000 is, if you put anything 3000, it will not blend. Even 1000 self, it's a hassle. If I put anything in 1000, it will just be doing, the machine to be affecting the machine. The machine will just be doing something. I have to reduce it to 750. When I now reduce it to 750, it was just blending smoothly. Then something I'm supposed to blend maybe like once or twice, I'll have to blend it 5 times, because I have to be putting it bit by bit. It's stressful, but it's better than throwing it away. So that is the tip for this one. If you want to use it, do not exceed 750. Check the calibrated stuff there. Should not exceed 750. And so as it's leaking as well, when it's leaking, it's when you put water. Maybe if you want to blend now, you pour your water first. If you pour your water first, it will be leaking. So anything you want to blend, though as it's leaking, I think it's even dangerous, but I'm just managing it until I can get another one. So anything you want to blend, pour what you want to blend first. If it is beans, or only blend beans and tomatoes, tatashi, pepper with this thing, you can't do more. I blend tiger nuts. I've blend, okay, you can blend anything with it, but just small quantity. I blend tiger nuts, dates with it, but just small quantity. So what you want to do is that you pour anything you want to blend first. If your own is leaking and you cannot change it, although I'm looking for how to change this, I'll just contact the guy, because when I didn't say something, when it happened the first time, it stopped working. It wasn't, if I was so scared to use it, I had to take it to repair. So I took it to someone that looked at it, the person losing it, and all those things that was coming out was still much inside. So the person just cleaned it off and coupled it back and said I should just go ahead and use that. Everything is fine, nothing, that I should just mind the way I use it. So I've been using it like that for now. So I repaired. If your own is having any faults, to see if you have anyone around that can just look at it for you, fix one or two. Or if it is not fixable, just you have to let it go. So anything you want to blend, put it inside first before you now add your water. Put anything you want to blend inside, then fix it here. If you put it, you will see that it's not leaking. And you put it inside your stuff, when you put it inside here, they cannot add little water you want to add. Even after blending, if you remove it, you will not see water there, because before now, if I just put water and put it inside like that, it will blend, but it will just be making one kind sound. And by the time I remove it, you will see all this place will be full of water. Even the inside, like this place, will be full of water. You know, this electric water, you touch it, you know what can happen. So that way, just with this method, you can just manage it while you save up and buy another one. This, I don't think, is a long-term use. It's very dangerous, guys. So guys, this is all I have for you today. If you've watched up to this point, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you've not subscribed. Like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.